Yes,
You can see that, right?
yes, I can see it.
Yes,
Uh,
sir.
so you raised your hand. Is that an issue? Okay.
Can I ask a
So,
question?
if you're, yeah, who has the question?
Okay, so between using Java or Python as the backend, which is better?
For your HTML?
Sir?
Well, I would say Java.
Okay.
Yeah.
So why?
Why?
Yes.
Why I would say Java is because what I've been doing mostly is Java. I've not really touched on Python like that. That's what I'm saying. Front end, if okay, all these things HTML is on that front end. Front end consists of HTML, CSS, Java, TypeScript, all of that. But for now, we're focusing on these three things. And as you can
I thought Java
see,
is backend.
no, Java is front end. JavaScript rather is front end. Do you understand?
Yes, I do.
Does anybody else have a question on this before I leave here and go back to where we are or where we were? Are you guys are you guys okay with this? Can I continue? If I can go back to where you were before, raise up your hand.
Yes, sir, you can
Yes,
continue.
sir. Yes, sir. We're okay with it. Wow. Uh,
Akan.
Akan is in
Okay,
here, right?
Oh,
mechanism. All right. So since you are okay with it, let's go back. Okay. Okay, we're back. Now you guys can see the big difference between what this is and what I was doing before, right?
Yes, sir.
So, okay. Now, with enough practice and determination, you guys will be able to create things like that. The thing about it is that HTML on its own is not really hard. The problem comes in CSS and Java. Even those are not hard. All you need to do is learn the elements and the tags, and you'll be good to go. So, Tolu, you raised your hand. Do you have a question?
sorry, sir. I forget to lower it down.
Oh, all right. Yeah. So now to create the website that I showed you, a lot of things to put into place. Even just HTML alone, as you can as so there was a lot. There were sections, there were headers, and we'll get into that tomorrow. But right now, all I'm going to show you are the basic tags you probably use when creating your web page. You guys understand what I mean?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and I hope you guys have also been following what I was doing
Yes, sir.
with
Yes, sir.
good AI.
Yes.
Okay. For those that are following, can you share your screen?
Sir? So,
Share your screen.
I should share my screen.
Yeah, let's see what you guys are doing.
Okay. So, can you see my screen? Okay. So, calm down. Can you see my screen, sir?
I can see your screen.
This is what I did.
Okay, that's good. You can start sharing your screen. Anyone else? Just make sure you guys are following along well. If you have been following what I was doing and doing it on your own as well, then can you raise up your hand? I just want to confirm that. Okay, first we can you show us what if I just want to see how it looks like on your own screen, if in case you have any problems or anything. So first we can share your screen.
Sir, I'm on my the meeting is on my phone, but I'm doing it on laptop, so I can't.
Oh, okay. For
I
future
can show my
reference, if
screen.
you're doing okay, hold up. For future reference, if you're joining this call, I prefer you join it on your laptop just so that I can also monitor what you guys are doing to make sure you're doing it correctly.
My laptop is having issues.
But you said you were doing it on your laptop.
Yes, like it has issues with volume. I'm not hearing anything you're saying if I use the laptop.
Okay, this is what you can do. You can join the like what I'm doing now. I'm joined like I'm on the call on both my laptop and my phone. You can use the phone to hear me while you use the laptop to show me what you're doing. Do you understand?
Yes, sir. Let me join.
While we wait for you, Akan, you said you could show you before you show it, and is there any problem?
No, I want to show my screen.
Okay, I can show me your screen first. Let's see if you're following.
So, I can't hear anybody.
Okay, this is good. You can stop sharing your screen now. And they can your okay, and they can like this. I
Who
don't
did
know, wait
this
for
one
some.
now? Who did this one?
And they can want to do pause. You want to do more than
Stop
everybody here.
now.
Okay. Oh, at least it shows you understand what you're doing. But they can.
Wait,
You can
wait,
stop sharing
wait,
your
wait,
screen.
wait. How did my name? Let me call you.
I don't know for you.
I don't find it funny.
Yes, change the line of it.
Okay. That's enough. You guys like it so much. Auntie, can you like it so much? We don't see that. Is anybody you can stop sharing your screen now? Is anybody else? If you want to share your screen, raise up your hand before you actually do it.
But
Okay, flowers. You can start sharing your screen now.
sir, but I'm using my phone.
Can you log in on your
Would that
can
be
you
a
use your laptop?
problem?
You're using your
Not
phone
right
to
now. Yes.
you're using your phone to on Code AI.
Yes, I am. I'm on my laptop right now, but the next class I'll have my laptop.
Okay. If you can share, if you can share. And you can drop your hand down. I've already seen what you've done.
Okay.
Have you started sharing? Just like you went off. Okay.
Never
AKM,
mind. I think I'm having issues doing that.
like I said, for future reference, okay, AKM, this is nice. Okay. AKM, I noticed you did not have your flowers. Why? AKM, I'll come back to your name for class again. Okay. This is nice. This is nice. What do you mean you hate boiled egg? No, let's leave that for now. Well, yeah, this is nice. This is nice. Okay. It shows that you are really me for them what I was doing. Now, okay, there are three things I would like to say now because it's feeling so well, so I would like to end this class a bit early. So, for future reference, if you except if you don't have a laptop or your laptop is having issues, if you can join this on your laptop, please join it. Better that way. Are you guys listening? And while I am showing you the basic elements, what I would like you to do is to carry those elements and add them and do more things with them. Like add extra words, extra headings, like what I saw, what's his name? What I saw Andy can do, what I saw Flowers do. Those are really nice. Those that were following me, those are also nice. That's so nice. But what I would like you to do is that I would like you to also add your own. I would like to see that you're following me and you're implementing what I'm telling you. Do you guys understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mm. Yes, like the white side. Eh? Taking oh yes, you hate boiled eggs. Ah, okay. So taking me. Can you share your screen again? Something I want to ask you about. Okay, taking me. I can't find your emphasis and your highlights highlight tab. You can stop sharing. You can stop screen sharing. Just wanted to. But Ekimi, do you understand what's the emphasis and the highlighted tags, the highlight tags? Do you understand what they mean and what they do? Okay, I understand. So I'm going to end this course now. But I really hope you guys understood what I was doing today. So I'm going to ask a few questions now. I want to ask, but I feel like I feel like I can, you can, those people. This you really understand what I mean. So I want to look for those that have not really been talking. I'm blessed. Do you understand what I've been doing so far?
Yes, sir. Yes, I understood. I stopped somewhere, sir. I didn't follow up to the end. I just stopped at
What
this is
is
my first time.
this is your
First time coding. I did not proceed to the end like we did.
what is that?
I was having network issues, so
Oh, that's true. Okay, but is there anything you would like me to explain, or do you understand what you're seeing on my screen right now?
so far I understood, sure. Like I would try, maybe when the class ends, I will try on my own.
Okay. Now I need someone. I will not ask you since you're having network issues. Do if you have any questions, please ask. I'm talking about you. I'm blessed. Now, okay. So is it you that just joined now?
Yeah. It is.
Okay. Can you show your screen before I start asking the questions?
Okay. Are you seeing my screen? No, okay.
See mine.
Hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. This is really nice. I'm glad that you guys are understanding what I've been doing so far. Okay. Now, seems like this has been a very productive class. I'm going to ask some questions. Who would like to summarize what I've been doing so far? And by summarize, I mean tell me what each task does, and how it works.
So can I try?
Okay, I'll start with you first, but I need more people to raise their hands. I need more people, I need to be sure people understand. So just hold on for a while. So who can help me summarize? Starting from what the dot type means, what happens, why there's HTML, why there's body, what the tags under the body does, the closing tags, everything. Anybody besides Tolu and Pasue? Is there anybody else? And Deacon and Akan, both of you, if you know you can also raise up your hands.
I will learn about the different function.
Oh no,
Uh,
hold up. No. Would you like I'm just asking you to raise up your hands. I want to know the amount of people that
okay,
understand what
sir.
I'm doing. Okay, so
Okay, sir.
if you raise up your hands. Even if you can't talk, raise up your hands if you can put in the chat. When we get there, I will look at it. So you can see a good number of hands. Let's start. Tolu.
Yes, sir.
Well,
So what I understood today is that um, there are various elements in HTML and they have their functions. First is the doc type, which tells the computer that the file is an HTML file. Then
okay, that's good.
body, the body is the place that you put the text that will show the website. The H1 is the first header, which is the biggest size of header there. Then we have the H3, H3, H4, which are other sizes, smaller sizes. Then the P is the paragraph. While the EM is to italize the text. Then the maps highlight the text. The UL is on ordered listing, which lists it by dots. Then the LI under the UL give us like one by one, like this dot dot dot. Then the OL is the ordered listing. Then under it the LI is 1, 2, 3, and so on. I think that's what I understand.
Okay, that's very good. Now, I want to ask you a question since you answered first.
Me,
When is the best time to use using your racking your brain? Now, when is the best time to use ordered list and
And
ordered list?
so can you start saying again? I didn't hear you.
Oh, I said you talked about I talked about ordered list. When is the best time to use an ordered list or an ordered list?
Okay, and another list you can use it when you're listing points. Then ordered list is when you're listing a list of things.
Okay, I'll take that. But there's something I'm looking for. I'll ask the question again. Thank you. Okay, the next person was Fasri. What do you understand? Yeah.
Um, the doc type is the part of HTML that helps the web browser understand how to interpret the documents. The HTML language is the language you want to write your code in, and the body is like the body of your website. Then you go to the heading one, that's H1. That's the first heading. We also have other headings like heading two, those are subheadings. Then there's paragraph. The emphasis tag helps you to know which part of the website you want to emphasize on. And the mark, it also marks where you want people to see. And you have UL, that's the another list. This lists your items in bullet points, while the OL is the other list, which lists your items in numbers. And yeah, that's what that's why. Sorry. Sorry.
Okay, that's all right. That's good. Now I'm going to ask you the same question I asked Tolu. When do you think is the best time for you to use an ordered list or an unordered list?
Okay, I think the best time to use an unordered list is when you're listing things that don't really need to be numbered, just very light things. But when you use an ordered list is when you're listing something like um when you're listing in a textbook or something like that.
Okay, okay. Yeah, the answer is right. I'll see you after that question. The next person I saw the answer was Akan. So almost like you've just been clapping things. Akan, you're up. Akan.
Sorry, so I went to go and do something. So I learned about
Okay.
how the different code in the learned about different um features of the HTML, how to create it, how to create paragraphs, how to use the ordered function, the unordered function.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Um, did you talk about the elements?
Uh, how shall I say about the elements, what they do?
Akan. Our
Hello, sir,
connection
can you
is
hear
poor.
me?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
Hello, sir, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
So, sir, the yes, I can hear you. So, sir, the
Yes, go on.
HTML means hypertext markup language. So, each one is used to start as a heading, and then paragraph is used to display a set of words, and then the EM function. The EM function is used to italize, is used to italize the selected words, and then the mark is used to highlight selected words. UL is unorganized list, which uses bullet points, while OL is ordered list, which uses numbers. So the H2 is like heading two, then the P is paragraph, and the H2 is now still the body, and then the HTML concludes everything.
Okay, that's good. Now, the question I was going to ask everyone else: when do you think is the best time to use on ordered list or ordered list? Just a just a simple question.
So, excuse me, sir, what the question again?
Oh, when do you think is the best time to use an unordered list or an ordered list?
So I think the best time to use an ordered list is when you like want to take a list of on other space when you want to take a list of something short. Well, ordered list is when you want to take a list of something long, so you like know how many things they have to accomplish.
Okay, I think that's the best answer of question so far. I also heard that ChatGPT statement, so behave yourself. Next,
Okay, so
the last
I didn't
question I
use
can see.
ChatGPT.
So who said that? Hopefully you guys are not using ChatGPT to answer these questions. Because I heard what that person said. And Deacon, you're
Yes, sir. That's all.
I'm not sure that was not even a word. You can start, you can start.
What I learned.
Yeah, what's your lens?
Oh,
Explain what you learned
I
and
learned
what
a
you've
lot of
done.
things today. I learned about HTML. I learned about ordered list and unordered list. We also learned about emphasis and mark. Please, I also have a question about the mark. Because when you mark,
Bro,
it shows yellow. Is it possible for you to change the color to any other color than yellow?
Yes,
again, as I told you, anything design is done in CSS.
Oh yeah, my bad.
Yeah, okay. We'll get there,
um,
we'll get there.
Okay. So I have another question. Since it's H1 and H2, is there also H3 and H4?
There's up to H6.
Oh, so you get smaller and smaller.
Yeah, it gets smaller and smaller and smaller. So which is why people mostly use H1, H2, and H3.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah. Like
Thank
it's
you.
like writing a book now. You can use for different occasions. Let me show you something now. So this is your heading. I did wait. Okay, so I have to learn CSS. This is your heading, your H2 now. Let me use this me. Let's say as let's say as your let me show you what it looks like. H3. You can see how it keeps getting smaller. And this one.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can see that it keeps getting smaller. The thing is
Yeah,
that
you
when
get.
I get from tomorrow, I think I'll introduce you guys to sections. in sections you can. It is why I say you can have more than one H1.
So please, tomorrow, I'm going to use VS Code, or we still use Code.org.
If the magnitude of people here can download VS Code for tomorrow, we'll try with VS Code.
Okay.
Sorry, does that mean that we can use VS Code for every other thing programming that we're going to
No,
do?
VS Code is a general code. It's like
Yes.
it's like this, but it's way better for everyone wants to do official projects. Is that all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that's all. That's all.
Okay. Yeah, that's what I'm saying about having two separate H1s. You can see that raise up your hand. We'll end soon. I can't see anybody participate. You can see what I'm doing right now. Please raise up your hand. Okay, let's just saying, Tolu is saying. Okay, you guys are saying. Now tomorrow, I want to introduce you guys to sections because when you go to CSS, you can't just leave it like this. Because if you want to design your H1 now, it will carry everything on that H1 and start designing. So tomorrow, when I introduce section, it will explain better on how you can separate, like, hold up, let's show you what's happened here. Can show you better like how you can. Give me a second. Like what I did now. Like what I did here now. All of this, I won't be able to show you exactly how all of this came about. You guys are seeing my screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So as you can see,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
okay,
Yes, sir.
okay. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. I'll show you sections, paddings. Okay, paddings will be in CSS. But tomorrow I'll show you sections, headings, and a lot more. So you get a step presenting creating something like this. So I'm going to give you a little assignment today. It will be posted on the group. It's basically what you have done here, but I'd like you to implement all of this. I'll give you instructions on how to do it. Now, I would prefer you do it here first before you start VS Code because I need to show you how to use VS Code tomorrow. I do understand.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But does anybody here know how to use VS Code? Let me ask that question first.
Sir, me.
So what do you say, sir?
Does anybody here know how to use Visual Studio Code?
Yeah, I do.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Was that
Yes,
no
sir.
easy?
For please mute your mic. But mute your mic now. For those who say, why are you shocked at what I was doing? Are you shocked?
Believe me, I don't know what's wrong with you. Get touch.
Okay. Well, if you know how to use VS Code, you know how to create folders, files. Okay, no, we'll do all of that tomorrow. You won't work tomorrow. If we have started using VS Code, you won't work tomorrow being on VS Code. But for now, I would like you to create your for the assignment I'm giving you. I would like you please whose mic is on? Whose mic is on? Should turn off your mic. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir,
Yes,
we
sir.
can hear you.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
For the okay. For the assignment I will give you to do, I'll prefer using code.ai since this is where we started today's lecture on. Is that all right with everybody?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
For those of you that want to ask me any question concerning this, we can say after the call. I'm gonna attend to you. Is that all right?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
hope you guys have learned a lot today. I hope you have learned some basic things in HTML. Have you? If you have, please raise up your hand. Thank you. Anyone else? Okay. Rikichi, you've been in this call. I don't know. Rikichi, you've been following what I was saying, right? Because I just randomly saw your hand.
Yes.
Okay. Have you been doing it on your own as well?
I'm using the phone, so no.
Okay, well, you could do it on your phone, but from tomorrow, that's why I said it's better to um to have this Zoom call on both your laptop and your phone.
So,
Okay.
Okay.
so,
Yeah. Who?
please, I'm
Who's?
creating an account on this VS Code, and it's saying I can't like put any username that has iPhone and all that.
Okay, I'll get to that after the call. I'll probably give you a link on how to create it without any problems. Because wait, are you creating it on your laptop? I can.
Yeah.
I can assume it was without asking me the question.
Yes.
You can't hear me.
Yeah. You hear me? I don't know.
Oh, I know I was mute. Yeah. But I assume it was you that was asking the question. Okay. Seems like they were having network issues. But so around up what I was saying, I'll give you an assignment. It's very easy. It's basically what we've been doing here. You would take in all that I've shown you today, all the elements I've shown you, and while following the instructions, you create your own little web page. Okay. If you understand me, raise up your hand so we can close for today. Okay.
Network or who is playing this song? Maybe it's somebody here. Ah, na network.
You guys understand?
Yes.
You guys understand?
Yes.
Okay. Well, seeing as that's it, if you have any other questions, I think I'll open the group today, probably by 12 or 12:30. If you have any other questions, you can ask it there or you can message me directly. If I
Sir,
have
please, I
any
want
other
to ask.
announcement to make, oh, you have a question?
No, sir, it's not actually a question, please, sir.
Oh, sure,
I was
sure.
not. I was not the last class. Please, you normally drop a link for what we learned for the day. So you didn't drop for the last class.
What we learned for the day? Uh,
No, I mean
link.
for the last class. I was not, yes, I was not in the last class.
Oh,
So,
you were not
like,
here. Okay. I, what we're doing is that after every class, we post the session on YouTube. So I'll give you a link to that later.
okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. So I will be, who is joining on my screen? Okay. So, okay. I guess that's all. Thank you all for coming for the class today. So you have a question?
Sir, thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Good.
Must the name of the file be index.html?
Oh, yes. Index.html. This is the only name you will probably access to. That's where I'll teach you this index.html now. That's why since we're using VS Code tomorrow, I will show you that there.
Okay.
But yes, the file name must be index.html.
Even
Sir,
on VS
Even on VS Code, everything has a
sir,
specific name for what you want to do. Yes, what's the question?
when
Do you
we
always
are starting, okay,
wait, first, do you understand what I was saying?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what's your question?
okay, sir. My question is that, when we start Python, are we still going to use VS Code with downloading an extension, stuff like that, or we are going to use Jupyter Notebook or Google Colab?
I think we'll use VS Code also because you can basically do everything on VS Code.
Okay, sir.
Better that way.
Yes,
I want us to stick to one singular site. I don't want to be moving from different sites to another site just to do different
Oh,
programming languages.
okay, yes, I understand,
Okay,
sir.
you understand? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so thank you all for coming, guys. That's the end of our class today. Future
Thank you,
announcements will
sir.
be made on our group. Okay. If you have any questions about the webpage I made, you can stay to ask. If not, you are free to go. Is that all right?
Bye.
Okay. Ending the recording.
So what's our assignment?
Oh, your assignment, I'll post it on the group.
Okay. And sir, I've not seen the request to submit our assignment 1 and 2 of the one.
Of the one.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
I'll post the link. I'll post the assignment for you guys to submit it.
Okay, sir.
I'll do that. I'll post it with the assignment I'm giving today.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. Thank you all for coming. We'll see you again tomorrow.